Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the job. Lock out power and isolate the compressor. Safety first. Use PPE and run the unit briefly to warm oil to about 40-50 degrees C so it drains cleanly. Once warm, position a rated recovery container and open the drain port. Let gravity and mild pressure purge oil into the container. Make sure you capture the oil and measure volume for comparison later. While draining, inspect the drain plug and magnet for heavy debris. Keep tools handy for the next step. Once drained, you remove the sight glass and any inline filter so you can inspect internal condition. This tells you why oil changed prematurely. Carefully open and check the oil separator and suction filter for metal particles or sludge. Those indicate wear. Clean magnets and ports and replace gaskets or seals that look worn. Make sure the drain and check valves operate smoothly. If a part is sticky or leaking, replace it now rather than risk contamination. Record observations and parts replaced for maintenance logs. You refill using the specified oil grade and the measured target volume. Pour slowly and use the sight glass to reach the correct level. Once filled, restore power and start the compressor under minimal load, watching oil pressure and temperature rise to normal range. Check for leaks at seals and fittings, then shut down and recheck level after a short run to top off if needed. If oil pressure is low or you see metal flakes, stop immediately. Suspect internal wear and consult detailed inspection or parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.